So here's what we are working with. We are trying to replace these crusty old lights. Here are the tail lights we are installing. These things look so nice compared to this. This is garbage. We also got a matching third brake light that's gonna go up there. They also include a little diagram of what part of the light does what. These things are super simple to install. All you need is literally just a Phillips, and you pretty much just pop your tailgate, and there'll be two Phillips screws right here, and this thing should just pop off and just disconnect it and pop these back in and connect them. So we got one light on, and this thing is looking 10 times better than that garbage over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish that side. So there you go, there's the tail lights on and installed. Both of them right there is looking really good, but I am having an issue. Everything works except the turn signal. Tried flipping the connections and trying the other section to the other section, but I don't know, it's just not working. I already blew a couple of fuses as well trying to figure it out. I don't know what's going on. I'll try to figure it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the video rolling and just swap out that third brake light and get this over with. So I got my third brake light on, super simple, 2 screws and unplug, put it back, screw in, plug it back in. There's also a gasket that goes around this, so don't forget that. And that pretty much sums up the third brake light and the 2 tail lights. The only thing I am pretty sad about is that I'm trying to get my turn signals to work. I haven't really tried since, but hopefully I can get those going. Man, these tail lights look 10 times better than the stock ones. I don't know, it just gives it more of like a modern look, you know? That sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one, and catch you on the next video.
Badges on the beat.